Today we bring back the videos. Alright, there you go.
I'm just the sweatshop manager.
Yes,
it's my glasses.
So Steven's sweatshop means Steven does all the work and he has guests for some reason sipping on his coconut water.
I'm the manager.
Yeah, he drew that.
I do payroll.
He does do payroll though. Hey, pay up.
Payroll. What payroll?
Yeah. Alright. So today's video, my car's really on jack stands because obviously I'm getting new wheels because I'm not riding on donuts for the rest of the life of this car. Also got new side skirts. You know side skirts?
I don't know where they are.
They're like over there.
Oh.
Alright. Oh shit!
You're fired.
These are obviously not real, but this is number 96 of Mugen style, WW style side skirts. Though I have not fitted them yet. I have like just kind of looked at it. It looks pretty good. I don't got space, so we're gonna have very up close shots of me trying to put these on.
Just do it outside. Oh wait, you don't have wheels. That's right.
That's dangerous.
We'll be right back after a quick word with our sponsor. Why is it Coca? Oh, it's just little rivets.
Is it rivets?
Yeah, it's those plastic little screw things.
Is it? Alright, we got this. Alright.
Screwdriver.
Did I drill it from here? Did I drill it in here? Into the frame like you said?
I don't know. That seems kind of ghetto. Is it supposed to be? How do you close the door then?
That's true. Maybe I am supposed to mount the fender liner, but like this.
Yeah, but how are you gonna do it? How do you enjoy that then?
I ended the video last night because I didn't want to keep inhaling fiberglass, and I didn't want Anthony to keep inhaling fiberglass. It was great that I was helping, but I also have to sand down the side skirt because there's a fitment issue. It's kind of bowing out and not really fitting, and I also have to re-drill some holes on the side skirts. Anyways, I'm gonna go to Home Depot to get a reusable mask because, well, I keep getting disposable ones and it's a waste of money. Let's get that mask, come back, and finish this up. Let's get started. Haven't really been proactive with making videos or working on the car, but today I am for sure finishing up these side skirts. I also have a birthday to go to, and I got a reusable mask because I got some more future stuff planned, and I'm gonna need a fiberglass mask. So let's finish this up. Japan videos are coming eventually, but just not anytime soon because there's too much footage. Let's get started. Okay, so side skirt is completely attached now. It's a little dirty, but not a big deal. Right now I have the 2 bolts bolted in here and 2 bolts over there. I'm actually gonna get some double-sided tape and stick it on the bottom of here so it kind of holds it in place. Basically, this presses up against the door, the frame of the car, and this slides right in. I did a little sanding on the edge of here and there. The front didn't really need sanding, but I may, actually it might have, but I wasn't too sure, so I sanded it anyways. It's not perfect, but it is what it is. End of the day, I'm gonna most likely fill it all in and paint it all white, so we'll see. But as of right now, I almost got it perfect. And I'm just gonna finish it off and then replicate this onto the other side and be done. So let's finish this up. Ooh, okay, so side skirt is on. I am very happy with the fitment on this side. I'm gonna have to do the same thing with the other side. I don't know how it's gonna work, but I'll get it done. And then I'm gonna take a coffee break because I'm tired. I haven't eaten. Gonna eat something, get some coffee, finish this up. I might be in different clothes, but I might finish it up tomorrow. We'll see. And end that video. Alright, for the sake of ending this video, finally got the side skirt on. Basically, I drilled in the front and the rears. I messed up. Both have an extra hole. And then I used double-sided tape and C-clamps to kind of tape it all down to the actual side skirt. It is a overlaying type of side skirt. I did the other side as well. This car is looking better already. If you look at the side over here, damn, it's looking just like that much lower. Might be wondering why I don't do any rollers or anything, but because the wheels are off. And the next video is gonna continue off of this video, so if I'm wearing the same clothes, I know I won't be. But if I am, you know why. But wheels over there. It's a little no black wheel on white car action, so all good. I hope you enjoyed this video. It should be a pretty quick video. A lot of trial and error. Honestly, this took me a lot longer than it should have, but it took a lot of sanding, so. Hope you enjoyed. See you next time. Bye!